Hello and welcome to King Cole. This is just a little how-to video for pattern 5038 and it's just to cover the tiny bit of lace that's at the bottom here. We've had one or two questions. So let's get started. I have cast on a few stitches and I have done the foundation purl row that you need to work before you do the little fluted section, and I'm just going to really slowly work through this once. So at the beginning of the row you have to knit 2, so that's simple. This is where people are getting confused. You knit 1, slip that stitch back onto your left hand needle, so you have knit it and it should look like that. Then you're going to pass the next 8 stitches one at a time over the top. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you can see how the stitches stretch a bit as you do that, so you end up with it looking like this. Okay, the next thing you do is do your yarn over your needle twice, so you're basically wrapping the thread twice around your needle, and you can see how you've got 2 loops there. That extra stitch is still over this side. Next you knit the first stitch again. Okay, so you've got your 2 loops, that stitch which has been knit for a second time, and then you knit the 2, and you keep repeating this section here again and again and again until you get to the end of the row. That's row 1. If you need to, wind that back and have another look. You then get to row 2, and row 2 you knit your first stitch, then you're going to purl 2 together, so the next 2 stitches there you purl 2 together like so, then drop one of the yarn overs, so you've just got one big loop there in front of you, and you're going to knit into this 5 times. So you knit once into the front and then once into the back, pick your loop back up again, knit once into the front, once into the back, pick the loop up again and knit once more. Okay, and that what you've done there is you've given yourself 5 stitches at that point. Then you purl 1. And you keep repeating that till the very end where you do a knit 1. Okay, that is how you do the beginning. You then, if you're changing colour, change your colour at that point and then start knitting. Make sure that for your size you've got the right number of stitches at that point. Hope that helps. So good luck and happy knitting.